Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 25th March current affairs. Welcome to our channel, Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Chief Justice of India. We know that on April 23rd this year, present Chief Justice of India, that is Bobde, S.A. Bobde, will retire on that day. From that onwards, that is April 24th onwards, 2021, N.V. Ramana will be the Chief Justice of India. Why? Because Chief Justice of India, S.A. Sharad A. Bobde, has recommended Justice N.V. Ramana, that he is the senior most judge of the Supreme Court, as the next top judge. Here, once appointed, the Chief Justice remains in office until the age of 65 years. Suppose if you see this N.V. Ramana, he born in August 27th, 1957, born in agricultural family in Ponnavaram village in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. Now it is the pride of Telugu people, that is Andhra Pradesh. February 10th, 1983, he enrolled as an advocate. After that, in 2000, appointed as permanent judge of Andhra Pradesh High Court. After that, March 10th, May 20th, 2013, functioned as the acting Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. After that, in 2013, elevated as the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court. In 2014, elevated as the Judge of the Supreme Court. He practiced in the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Central and Andhra Pradesh Administrative Tribunals and the Supreme Court in civil, criminal and constitutional, labor service and election matters also. Here if you see the article related to this Chief Justice of India or Supreme Court, Article 24 Section 4 of the Constitution of India provides the SC judge including CJI can be moved only through a process of impeachment by Parliament only. Next one, Tiger Relocation Project. Here the Tiger Relocation Project was initiated in 2018, wherein two big cats, that is one is a male one, that is Mahabir from Kanha Tiger Reserve, and female one Sundari from Bandhavgarh from Madhya Pradesh, were relocated to Satkosia Tiger Reserve, which is located in Odisha, to shore up the tiger population in the state. If you see the tiger population in Odisha very less, that's why these two tigers are relocated to the Satkosia Tiger Reserve in Odisha. Here the project was started under the project of augmentation and recovery of tiger population in Satkosia Tiger Reserve. 6 tigers, that is 3 pairs from different reserves of Madhya Pradesh, were to be sent to Odisha under this project. Next one, Suez Canal. Here Suez Canal is a human-made waterway. Suez Canal is one of the world's most heavily used shipping lanes, carrying over 12% of the world trade by volume. Here, why it is news? Why? Because this Suez Canal is blocked. Why? Why? Because the Suez Canal is a critical shipping artery that connects the Mediterranean and Red Seas through Egypt, has blocked after a large cargo ship ran aground while passing through it, bringing traffic on the busy trade route to a halt. That is about Suez Canal. Next one, CBSE rolls out assessment framework. Here CBSE assessment framework for science, maths and English classes as a part of CBSE competency based education project. Here the Central Board of Secondary Education has rolled out a new assessment framework for classes 6 to 10. Under the new system, teachers will be trained to create question papers and other assessment methods that test the actual competency of students in the subjects rather than their ability to memorize chunks of text. That is, it is a good assessment framework for students from class 6 to class 10th. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, Gear Up for Group 1 exam.